Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kirsty Petrie, and today I'm bringing you a style that I know you guys have seen on Instagram. I know them as spring twist, but the trick here is that we're using a different type of hair to achieve these twists. If you guys are on Instagram, check out Boho Babe. She is the one who has been doing these twists for the last couple months, and they are all the rave on IG right now. And they're called Passion Twists. If you don't believe me, look up the hashtag. You're gonna see tons of posts. So today I'm gonna be doing some passion twists on my hair, and I'm gonna be using some very special products, so stay tuned to check out what they are. So I'm gonna be using Rastafri's Tahiti Curl Crochet. It is 8 inches long in color GTOM 27. I'm going to be using Flores molding pomade and Dr. Bronner's peppermint organic hair cream. Yes, you guys, this is the starting lineup. So get ready, get ready, get ready. The first thing that you want to do when trying to do these twists is make sure your hair is fully detangled. I already started the rest of my twist. I just wanted to have this front section for you. Once your hair is detangled, you want to go ahead and start parting off your hair. This was my first time doing these passion twists, and after doing them, I realized that I probably should have done my parts much smaller, so that way I could get fuller twists at the root and on the ends. So that's just a recommendation to you guys. If you have finer hair, or even if you have thick hair, I recommend doing smaller parts and using 5 to 6 packs of hair. Now I'm using Dr. Bronner's peppermint organic hair cream. It is something super new to me. I never knew that Dr. Bronner's carried hair products. And not only that, this is a very moisturizing hair cream. So you guys, I think I found a little gold nugget, and I want you guys to go check it out. The link is down below. This made my hair super shiny. It made it soft, and it made my curls feel moisturized and just replenished. So when I read the ingredients, it does say that there's hemp oil, it does say that there's avocado oil and coconut oil, so no wonder it was shiny and smooth and pillow soft. Check them out if you guys don't believe me. As you can see, guys, I'm putting on my Flores molding pomade. You guys know that is my go-to. I'm putting it on all of the parts right now, and I'm doing this so that way all of my hair is sectioned off. This is a little trick I learned from another braider, Miss Kia, just to section off the hair and keep it out of your way. So I'm using the pomade to twist the hair at the root, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna set like that, and once it comes time for me to go ahead and do my twist, it's already all together and in one place. So try this tip. Let me know if it helped you when you do some box braids or these passion twists. Okay, so once all of your hair is twisted and all secure and sectioned off, you want to go ahead and grab your hair. Now for each twist, I used 4 pieces of the crochet hair. Again, this was my first time doing this style. I would recommend probably using 6 pieces to get really full twists, and they're still going to be springy. These are ultra lightweight. The formula that Rastafri used to create Tahiti Curl allows these twists to be super light. Like, it doesn't feel like there's anything on my head. So if you want a low tension style, this one is it. So as you guys can see, all I'm doing here, I'm starting it as a braid, and that is because my hair is very slippery, it's very silky, and if I try to do a twist, it's going to slip. So to just make sure it's secure, I start it as a box braid, and I only go a short way down. Once I get to a certain point, I'm going to get my rat tail comb because I don't want the ends of my hair to stick out of this kinky hair. So I take my comb, I put some of the Flores molding pomade on it, and I'm just going to smooth down my real hair and try to blend it in with the Tahiti Curl from Rastafri. Once it's all blended in, you're going to go ahead and start twisting your hair and the crochet hair together. You want to make sure that you're kind of being, you know, pulling as you're twisting, because in the end you want the twist to spring back up. You do not want to do this super loose. You want to make sure you're twisting both sides as you go. And I'm just twisting all the way down. You guys, this style took me 6 hours to do, but it was worth it. It's so cute. It's so relaxed, so simple, but it's so beautiful. I'm going to try this again. I will be using probably another color. I will be using 5 to 6 packs, and I will probably be using 6 strands per twist. But for my first time trying this style, I have to say that I love it. Shout out to Boho Babe, because that girl, she knew what she was doing, trying to use the other twist hair and doing these twists. I thought it was super dope that, you know, people are actually shouting her out. So if you guys see Passion Twist on IG, make sure you check her out, because I didn't see nobody else doing it. My friend Ariana, she also braids. She's here in LA. I saw her do these twists with this same hair, but she used it in 1B. So shout out to her, because that's actually who I got the idea to use this hair from. Now you guys, I just want to talk about the fiber. I did not have to dip this hair. You want the hair to stay twisted, fluffy, bouncy, and soft. If you want it silky and smooth, that's going to turn it into a whole nother look, and I don't want that. If you want that, please go ahead, dip it, tag me, let me see what it looks like. I might try it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. After you're done with the twist, you just go on to bed, wrap it up, and the next day you're gonna look like this. I will say that my hair, it is slippery, okay guys? So 2 did slip out of my hair. So I've been wearing it in a ponytail majority of the time, or on one side, so that way I can control how much falls out. I do this style again, and I recommend if you guys try this and you have kinky hair, make sure you guys secure the hair at your root, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm so glad I got to try this. Let me know if you guys are going to try Passion Twist down below. If you do, show me your photos, because I want to see how y'all do, or if you get it done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below if you're going to try some Passion Twist on your very own hair. Why or why not? All right, y'all. Stay channeling the beauty that's within inside of you. I'm out. Mwah.